In a world where digital communication reigns supreme, the power of email marketing and automation cannot be overstated. It's the pulse that keeps businesses thriving, the invisible thread that weaves customer journeys, and the driving force behind successful marketing campaigns. One platform that stands out in this digital arena is Moosend. Moosend is not just an email marketing platform. It's a comprehensive solution that offers a plethora of features. Each feature is meticulously designed to provide immense value to its users. Let's dive into the essence of Moosend and explore what it has to offer. One of the key features of Moosend is its ability to create personalized emails. With the world becoming increasingly customized, personalization is no longer a luxury, but a necessity. Moosend allows its users to create tailored emails that resonate with their target audience, fostering a sense of connection and increasing engagement rates. But Moosend doesn't stop at email personalization. It takes things a notch higher with its marketing automation. Users can automate their marketing messages, ensuring that the right message reaches the right person at the right time. This not only increases efficiency, but also allows users to focus on other crucial aspects of their business. Another standout feature of Moosend is its customer journey builder. This feature enables users to map out the customer journey, identifying key touchpoints and optimizing them for better customer experiences. Through this, businesses can ensure that their customer's journey is seamless, engaging, and most importantly, leads to conversions. Moosend also offers event tracking, which provides users with valuable insights into customer behavior. By understanding how customers interact with their emails, businesses can make data-driven decisions and improve their marketing strategies. The platform also touts customizable templates, making it easier for users to create professional, visually appealing emails. These templates are designed with the user in mind, ensuring that even those with little to no design experience can create stunning emails. Integrations are another area where Moosend shines. Users can seamlessly integrate Moosend with other platforms, enhancing functionality and ensuring that their marketing tools work in harmony. To top it all off, Moosend offers a user-friendly interface and a dedicated support team. Users can easily navigate the platform, and if they encounter any issues, the support team is always ready to assist. This commitment to user experience makes Moosend a favorite among many businesses. In summary, Moosend is a comprehensive email marketing and automation platform that offers personalized email creation, marketing automation, a customer journey builder, event tracking, customizable templates, and seamless integrations. It's designed with the user in mind, offering a user-friendly interface and a dedicated support team. Moosend goes beyond being a tool. It's a partner that empowers businesses to excel in their marketing efforts. It's the silent engine that powers successful email campaigns, the compass that guides customer journeys, and the platform that brings marketing excellence within reach.